Hello, it's Mike Kroger, Finale Inventory. In this short video, we're going to cover how to install the Finale barcode scanning app on an Android OS based device using the Google Play Store. So, you may be new to Finale, or you may be an existing Finale customer, and you've heard or want to know how to get the Finale barcode scanner app installed on your Android device. So let's go through that. So I want to bring up my Android device here so you can see on my screen. You might be familiar with what an Android looks like. So here, this is a normal kind of like Android scanner here. So we're going to download the Finale Inventory app from the Google Play Store. So number one, of course, you need to have Wi-Fi and accessibility to the internet. So make sure you do that first. Now I'm going to click on the Google Play Store. Once I get the Google Play Store, of course, you got to make sure you're logged into a Google account of some sort. But if you're looking for the app, I'm just going to come in here and type in the Finale Inventory, and it should find our Finale Inventory app. So make sure you choose the one that says Finale Inventory Barcode Scanner. So we're going to open that up, and it's going to ask you to install it. So let's just install that down here, and we're going to accept that it can use the camera if we wish, and also it will automatically use the scanner built in. So let's download this and wait a moment here while it's beginning to install. Now that it's installed, you're ready to run the Finale Inventory application. So we're going to use the open here, and you'll see that we've got Finale Inventory loading up here, and it boots into the main menu of the Finale Inventory app. So the next thing you must do is make a connection to your Finale Inventory account. Now in the background here, I've got my Finale Inventory. I'm logged in. This is a demo account. Now the name of your account, remember you have an account name with Finale Inventory, whether it's a trial or you're an existing account. So the name is right here in the URL. So whatever you created when you got your Finale Inventory account, there is a section here that I'm pointing to in the URL. Mine happens to be Demo Barcode. So you need to know that. The other thing you need to know is your username and your password. It's the same one you use to log in from the web browser, as you see me here. So how do you connect? Well, you're going to do sync. So as you do sync, the first thing it's going to ask you is for that account name. So that's what we were referring to here. Make sure you enter this account name that I've highlighted here. So I'm going to put that in here, Demo Barcode, and I'm going to hit enter, or touch the enter button. Now we need a username. Now when you subscribed to your trial or in your account, you have a username. It is case sensitive, so make sure you realize that. So I'm going to type in mine. It's Mike, and then I have a password. So I need to type in, this is the same password as you use when you log in from the web again. So I'm going to type that password here. Hopefully I get that right. I'm going to hit enter. Now if you're successful in getting that correct, you will get this screen that says ready to sync, confirm. So all you need to do is press the sync button here, and you'll see it say success, scanner is up to date. You have now succeeded in downloading the Finale Inventory application to your Android device. You have opened it up. You have connected it to your Finale Inventory cloud-based account, and we've got the sync going. So now from this point forward, the scanner will stay connected to your Finale Inventory account for approximately 24 hours or until it loses the internet connection. You'll notice that if I sync again, I can actually choose number one and hit sync. It asks me, are you still logged in, and are you Mike? So if I was changing usernames, you would say no and then log into another user account, but since it's still me, I hit yes, and it connects, and you can see how quickly it will go, and you say sync, and it makes sure that it's up to date. So at this moment in time, the scanner is ready for you to use.